Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Before I get started, I wanted to show you guys a few pieces that are now dry and varnished. So a lot of people always ask me, hey, what does the dry piece look like? You know, we love seeing the wet pieces, but what do the dry pieces look like? So that being said, if you caught my video on Black Friday with the big triptych, it's dry and it's been varnished, and soon it's going to be packaged up and it's going to be sent to its new home because I sold it the same day. I had a few people who were looking to purchase it, but basically it was first come, first serve. So I'm sorry to the others who didn't get the chance to purchase it. But as I said, if anyone else wants a piece, I can easily do another triptych. Use the same colors, do the same everything. Of course, it's not going to be identical to the one I did in the video, but it'll be similar, right? So I wanted to show you guys. So here is the one panel. So it's trying to get the glare from the light off of here, but so that was the first panel. And that's all varnished with 2 coats of the Liquitex gloss varnish. That is what I use. And then we have the black panel, and that came out really well too. So nice and shiny, and the colors really popped once I put that varnish on there. So that's the black piece. And then the outer piece, the other white piece. So you can see how that one turned out. The lighting down here, as usual, sucks. However, I bought lighting, so stay tuned for that. In a week or so, I'll finally be doing videos with some lighting, so it won't be as bad when you guys are watching. So I'm just gonna put these down so I have some space for myself. And then if you saw my video from the other day, I did the round using silver. Well, it's dry now, so there it is. And this is going to get a coat of resin because it is on a wood round. So I do put resin on my wood rounds. So that's all dry. It didn't take too long actually, but that's how that turned out. So this one is still available. If anyone wants to purchase this one, shoot me an email. And then a few other pieces I wanted to show you. This is one of my Shelly techniques, but I finally varnished it. So you can see, hopefully, like right here, how the paint shimmers. So this one's pretty cool. So this now has its 2 coats of varnish as well. Trying to see if I can get a good angle here for you guys to see the shimmer in it. So this one is a 10 by 20, and that is also up for purchase. This was my green piece. This one just got completed. I'm trying to see what I'm doing here with varnish as well. You can see the shine. So this is also a 10 by 20, also available if you're looking to purchase. I finally got my fire and ice finished, and has 2 coats. This one's a big one. This has 2 coats of varnish as well. I can't see what I'm doing though. Here, let me go this way without hitting the ceiling. So fire and ice is done and finally ready and up for sale. So I haven't posted it on Etsy yet, but if you want it, let me know. And I believe this is 15 by 30 inches. All right, so it's finally finished, and there's the back. I just have to stamp it and sign it, but the back is all clean. So she's ready to go. Let's see really quick. I have this, my ring pour. So that is also varnished and ready. This is on a 10 by 10 canvas. So that's ready. It's not on Etsy yet, but if you want it, let me know. And 2 more. So these are actually old ones, but I have yet to put them on Etsy. I just haven't had the time. But this is a 12 by 24 and it's got a bunch of purples in it. And I finally got this one all varnished and ready. So if you're interested in this piece, I can't see what I'm doing. I'm just slowly going across so you can see. But if you're interested in this piece, this is also available. And last but not least, the fall slash inspired colored pour with the pinks and the yellows and the magentas. So this one is also available for purchase. Can't remember what size it is, but if you want it, message me and I'll let you know. So that one's pretty cool as well. All right, so I think that's it. Those are all the pieces and this one. These are all pieces I just spent time varnishing. This is a 20 by 20. This was a Dutch pour done diagonally as opposed to straight across. All done with blues and antique copper. Back is all done, clean. I just need to stamp it and sign it. So that one's already on Etsy. The rest of them aren't on Etsy, but this one is. Okay, that's it. So I am going to do something fun today. So I said I was going to do a Dutch pour. So this is a 10 by 10. And I'm going to do a Dutch pour with a leaf blower. But it's not the kind of leaf blower you're thinking about. So I was told about a lovely lady, and oh gosh, I think her name is Kathleen. I'm going to have to look it up. I was supposed to look it up before I started recording, but now I can't remember. But I will put her name in the description below. I saw her, one of my viewers mentioned her name and said, go and check out her video. She does this really cool thing with a leaf blower. And I thought, well, that's crazy. How are you supposed to do a pour with like a massive leaf blower? So I go over and check out her channel. And this is what she was using. A mini leaf blower. So, you know me, I had to buy it because I had to try it. So, you know, this is just for fun. I thought I'd lighten up the mood and, you know, kind of make it fun. So I ordered this little guy. It's literally called the smallest leaf blower in the world. I can't remember, but I'll put it in my Amazon shop. But I've never tried it. So this is going to be my first time trying it. So we'll give it a go and see what happens, which is why I'm starting on a small canvas first. And if it works, I'll move to a bigger canvas. But I'm not holding my breath on this one, literally. So let's try it. Let me bring you guys down. All right. So we'll do a quick Dutch pour, because I already spent 8 minutes talking. But I thought it was hilarious. It doesn't plug into the wall. It actually plugs into like your phone charger. It's just a USB. So if you have a phone charger, then I've just plugged it into my extension cord here. So I don't know. I just thought it'd be funny to try something. So I'm sorry. I can try to open this bottle. Let me shake it first. I'm trying to remember the name. I'm pretty sure it was Kathleen. I can't open that. All right, squeeze bottle. Okay, that's better. I'm trying to remember her name and I can't, but I will put it in the description below because I'm just totally brain gapping right now. All right, so let's flood the canvas real quick. I got my awesome spatula. You guys know how much I love my spatula. It helps. It's very, very helpful to smooth out my paint. Make sure everything is nice and even. And while I'm doing this, I wanted to say a quick thank you to the following people who have made a donation to my PayPal link. That would be Donna, Edwina, and Patricia. Thank you, ladies, so very much for your generosity. I really appreciate it. If there's anyone who would like to donate, the PayPal link is listed in the description below. If you don't know what the description is, it's that little upside down triangle in the bottom right hand corner of the video. If you're watching from your phone or a tablet, click on that little upside down triangle, and that once you click on that, all the information will expand below. That's the description that everyone keeps talking about. So it's down there. And before I forget, a lot of people, a lot of my viewers have been letting me know that their notification bell and subscription button have been turned off. So I had a few people saying, oh, I thought you stopped doing videos because I wasn't getting notifications anymore. Well, that's not true, because you know me, I'm always going to do videos for you guys. So something has happened with YouTube, and they did something and messed something up, and a lot of people's notification bells got turned off. So if you wouldn't mind, I would really, really appreciate it if you would check your notification bell and just make sure it's still turned on, and make sure that your subscription button is also clicked on, because a lot of people have been saying theirs has been turned off. So I don't know why YouTube or how that has happened, but I would really appreciate it if you checked it out and fixed it. All right. So the colors I'm using, this was Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. This is Phthalo Green by Grumbacher. We have Old Gold by Artist Loft. And last but not least, I believe this is Turquoise. What is it? I forgot. Nope, not Fluorescent Blue. Nope, not. Wow, oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. Here it is. Turquoise Blue. That's it. Turquoise Blue by Liquitex Basics. I haven't put my description on. I just mixed this the other day in my new Loli Veffy bottles. So I have to try and... Oh, air bubble. I have to try and remember what these new colors are that I mixed. Okay. And I really like these bottles because they have the twist caps. You just twist the cap, clean the top, and good to go. Okay, let's flood it and then blow it. This is going to be interesting. Okay, so I did diagonal this time just to give it a little more space to blow. And if it doesn't work out, then I will probably scrape it and then just use the actual hair dryer. But let's see. All right, let's pop the torches. Pop the torches. Pop the bubbles. Pop the torches. All right, so let's give this thing a go. There's a power button here. Wish me luck. Oh, it's powerful. Maybe I shouldn't go so close. Huh, what a neat little sucker. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. All right. This is actually pretty powerful. I'm actually really surprised. Well, I don't know what else it's good for. Oh, they say it's good for blowing dust out of your keyboards and stuff, but okay, so this should be interesting. Let's do this. Well, this is my first time using it, so I gotta get used to the angles and how powerful it is if I go too close. All right. Yeah, there's definitely a way about doing this, that's for sure. So, got to keep it kind of far apart, not too close, and not head on. It's kind of got to go on an angle, I guess, kind of. Oh, this is funny. Wow, this is actually a pretty powerful little mini blow dryer, or blow dryer, leaf blower. This is kind of funny. Okay, so I am going to torch it, only because I want to see if there's anything going on. I don't want to go too close. I don't want to over torch it. Yeah, but this is pretty funny, actually. I'm actually really liking it. It's really interesting. That is for sure. Oh my gosh. How funny is this? Wow. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. This is the funniest thing ever. I don't know if I could do this on a large canvas, but for a small piece, hold on. Let me show you guys. It's actually not bad. So for those of you out there who say you have like troubles blowing and you can't blow, get yourself one of these guys, because clearly it's powerful enough to move Dutch pour paint, you know, the mixture for a Dutch pour. Actually, it's almost too powerful. So I'm definitely going to have to learn how to maneuver that. I'm going to try again. I will. I think this is absolutely hilarious. And I actually like the turnout. I like the way it turned out. It's pretty neat. So I'll put this in my Amazon shop. I think I paid $30 for it. It took a while to come because it's not on Prime, at least not in Canada. But I'll put it in my Amazon shop links. And I'll also put down the name of the person who I got it from, the idea I got it from. But yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check the subscription bell and check your notification bells, guys. If you know you've already hit it, check it again. Just make sure it's actually still on, because a lot of people have been telling me their buttons aren't on anymore. Again, check out all my info in the description below. All my social media links are listed, PayPal link, Amazon shops. And don't forget to check out Juno. I keep uploading all these cool new videos of Juno. He has his own channel. The link is in the description below, or just search Juno the Husky. And he's like gonna pop up there. You can't miss him. He's the most handsome boy. So check out Juno's channel and subscribe there, guys. I'd really appreciate it. So that's it for now. And have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. And again, if you want any of the pieces I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, shoot me an email. My email is listed below, or send me a private message on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. Or comment below and let me know if you guys are interested in a piece. That's it. And I'm going to do a live auction soon. Auction coming up in a couple of weeks. If you're interested, let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in a live auction as well. Take care. See you soon. We'll talk. Bye.